You don't need a PhD to get into data science. And I know many people say, or many people will tell me, well, Miguel, but many people that are in data scientists, they have PhDs. You actually have a PhD. Yes, but I didn't do my PhD because I wanted to get into data science. I did my PhD because I wanted to contribute to science and spend part of my life working on that. But the truth is that, in my opinion, the reason why a lot of people that are working in high-paid jobs in data science, they have PhDs, is because they share some skills that a lot of the people doing PhD need, but and also people in data science require. The first thing is they have both people doing PhDs and people in data science, they need to understand the latest algorithms, the most advanced techniques, the state of the art, and more than the state of the art, the AI that is useful for companies today. And that's something that automatically you do it when you do a PhD. The second thing is they have the scientific method, the scientific thought. Most PhD, when you do a PhD, you are taught how to think based on facts and not based on opinions, and this is very, very useful when you work in data science. Another thing PhDs have is they understand concepts deeply, not superficially. That's another very important skill that you need to acquire if you want to work in data science. You just don't understand things like generally. You go very, very deep. You understand the concepts very in detail. And the last thing is they are able to implement and create solutions that work, right? When you're doing a PhD, particularly if you're doing a PhD in any of the technical science, at the end you need to do a lot of coding. You need to implement solutions when sometimes there are not a lot of documentation. Is kind of difficult. So this is another skill that people in data science need. So again, these are skills that you can acquire without doing a PhD. And I heard people asking me, Miguel, I would like to get a data science position at Microsoft, Google, and what I think is I'm going to do a PhD so then I can get into these companies. That makes no sense. If you want to do a PhD, but not because you want to get into data science.